Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified 2019 Toyota Corolla SE. Here's a quick look of the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle comes with power windows, mirrors, and locks. It has leather trimmed seatings and comfortably seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It also has AM and FM radio stations, a CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, a rear view camera, heated seating, and many more great features.